Hello guys, today's recipe is yam pottage. Yes, so I'm going to share my delicious yam pottage recipe with you. You're going to love every bit of it. So please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video. Okay, let's get started. So I've already sliced or chopped my yam into pieces or the size that I want. Is on fire. I'm adding salt to it, and I've added enough water to it. So I'm going to add my beef. Yes, I've cooked the beef a bit. Yes, so I've added that one. I'm going to add my salted fish. This is supereku. That's how we call it here. I don't know how you call it in your language. So I'm adding tomatoes, pepper and onion to it. Okay, so I'm adding this my emane also to it, and we are going to cover and allow it to cook very well. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share and leave a comment, and do what to click on the notification bell. So I'm going to take the onions, the vegetables from it, because it's well cooked. I took the onion, I'll take the peppers, the tomatoes, everything from it, and we are going to blend that one. Yes. And so at this point we'll stir it, and then while you are stirring, you can decide to mash it the way you want it to be done. Okay, so these are the vegetables. I'm going to add ginger and garlic, yes, to it, and then blend it. So after blending, I just poured everything onto the yam. Yes, okay, and then we'll stir everything together, and I'll try and mash some. Yes, I don't want to mash everything smooth. Now with pottage you need to get some to chew. Yes, so we are not mashing everything or breaking everything. Okay, so I'm going to add a bit of seasoning and salt to it. Yes, so just adjust the quantity to your preference. Okay, so at this point you're going to work on our red oil already on fire, very warm. So just pour in some sliced onions. We will let it stir fry for a minute. Yes, and that'll be okay. Yes. So at this point it's okay. So we are going to check on the yam, and I have some smoked fish that I'm going to add to it. Yes, so you can use any fish of your choice. Okay, so we'll stir it together, and after we'll add our red oil to it. Okay, so pour everything on it and give it a good stir, then allow it to cook for about 2 minutes, and that'll be okay. So finally our yam pottage is ready. Yes, so we'll just give it a quick stir and then off the fire, allow it to cool and serve ourselves. So this is it, ready to be enjoyed. Yes, you will love this, so give it a try. Okay, thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like, share this video, leave a comment, and do well to click on the notification bell. Bye bye.